Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make stir-fry egg with chili and shallots. For ingredients, let's check down below. It's a very simple dish. You need about between 3 to 5 ingredients. So first, you need eggs, shallots, garlic, and bird's eye chili or Thai chili. Now, if you don't like the spicy food, you can change this with bell pepper. And then for the garnish, I'm gonna use the scallions or green onions. For the seasoning, you will need salt, MSG, and this is the most important part, which is the shrimp paste. You gotta make sure your shrimp paste, you have to cook it first. If you have raw shrimp paste, just pop it in the oven for like 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. So first thing that you will need to do, you want to cut all the ingredients, which is the shallots, garlic, and the chili. For the shallots, I'm gonna cut it in small dice. For the garlic, just slice roughly or coarse. Just like that. And for the chili, it's the same thing. You want to chop it or slice it just a little bit bigger. So now, let's start cooking. All right, so I have my wok, it's hot. I'm gonna add 100 ml of cold oil. I'm gonna add all the ingredients. You're gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until all the aromatics juice come out. So after about 3 minutes, I'm gonna add about 3 teaspoons of shrimp paste. Now after you cook this for about a minute, I'm gonna add the egg. I'm gonna scramble it. Now for the seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons of salt and half teaspoon of MSG. Turn off the heat and it's gonna be ready to serve. And now the last one, you wanna put the scallions or green onions as a garnish. So there you go guys, the stir-fry egg with shallots and chili is ready to serve. I always eat this with a nice warm rice. Very nice, it's very good, it's so tasty. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.